Alright, so I got this guy at Walmart for $140. And the reason I haven't put on this yet is so I could show you the screws. So there's that. Anyway, I was skeptical about getting one from Walmart because I've had, like, that bookshelf back there is from Walmart. It almost completely fell apart during this move, and out of the 3 that I have from Walmart, 2 of them were really cheap. So this one, everything should be taken with a grain of salt because we were talking about Walmart. This isn't, like this kind of furniture. It's, where you need 3 people to move it, basically. But this one's built pretty well. I gotta say, again, grain of salt. This is probably the heaviest piece of particle board I've ever seen in my life. The inside looks pretty nice. It's got this nice design, nice and pretty solid. These are like die cast handles, which is fine because it's better than plastic, So anyway, here's a look at the underneath. Kind of better look at that. Some bags under there. Get a look at the construction. There actually were a lot of screws and nails. The back has a bunch of nails in it. So I was kind of hesitant, again, because I thought it was going to be cheap. I thought maybe I was going to split the wood. And I actually just used this, which was my grandfather's, I believe. Just hammered it in with that end and came along swimmingly. So, it's the standard just cardboard backing there. Probably made of all recyclable materials. But yeah, it's pretty heavy. I mean, I'm no Randy Savage, but I pretty much couldn't lift it up the stairs by myself. I mean, I could have, but it's much easier with 2 people. So yeah, so far I would recommend it. Again, I've said it a ton of times throughout the video. I was hesitant to spend $140 at Walmart on a dresser, but it seems to be worth it. Solid construction. It's not wobbly or anything. One thing I do think is weird. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is intentional or if I did something wrong. Maybe it's tilted back so the drawers don't fall forward. But it is like slanted. Like you can see there's space under there, but then it gets flat so you can't fit anything under there. Also, things like this I'm not so hot about. I mean, there's a gap there and you can even, it's kind of awkward with my one hand. With my non-dominant hand, suppose I'll do this for you obsessive compulsive types. 1 and 2. Don't want to over tighten the particle wood. One more thing, and this is actually one of the reasons I felt compelled to make this video, is because look at that. So many instructions. There's words. It tells you exactly, the bit size you need. Center the screw in the oval hole every time. And yeah, they got a nice hand there. So I have had instructions, especially from the Swedish company known as IKEA, and they have had nary a letter. It's just numbers and arrows, and it's the most confusing thing. This is very nice. They even give you friendly reminders to top off your drink, and snacks. There's the one with the pretzel. I really like the pretzel one. Yeah, I mean, come on. Come on, that's fun. Anyway, yeah, I'd recommend it. Let's see what the brand is. Sauder, maybe that is Swedish.
I think that's just fragile, honey.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, there's the phone number if you guys want to crank call them. And, yeah. I gotta say, I would probably buy another product from this Italian company. So yeah, hope that helps someone. Have a good day. Yeah, I'm mad at you. One more thing, and this is actually fucking. Let me do that shit.